missed him. Good job, son. Good job. Number 1.
Oh, yeah.
Over there by the cement, he was over there on the rocks. Pitched a plum apple worm in. He bit it and I missed him. Threw back in the same spot. Caught him on the next cast. So yeah, he ought to be about a 2.5. A good 2, maybe 2.5. About to go check. But that makes number 2 for the day. With Kade over there outside. Out here fishing the secret hole. Not bad. 2 in the first 20 minutes. Let's get the weight on the scale. Damn. 158, guys. 158. Alright, well, see you guys on the next one. Let's fat him out the water. But yeah, good 1.5 pounds. It's a good fish. There he goes. See you guys on the next one. Okay, guys, well, we made a quick assumption. My scale is like way off because that fish said that it was 1 pound, and Kade and Bryce and all of us, we all know that fish was a lot bigger than 1 pound. That was probably almost 3 pounds. So we will get back to you guys. My scale's off, so we're going to start using Kade's scale. We'll get back to you guys on the next one. Look at this 6-inch fish.
Angle, Bryce.
Hold up, let me get close enough where it looks like a 10-pounder. Come on. Watch him come off. He finally caught one.
Yeah, it does.
That's
one first cast early, Dick.
I don't know if it's 12 inches. Yeah, it probably is 12 inches. It's long, it's skinny.
Oh, yeah.
We need an official measurement on this one. And weight, because I want to see it. You haven't caught me yet.
Huh?
You haven't caught me yet, I don't think, in weight. Not with my 3. Let's get an official weight, and you need to measure them inch-wise.
I don't think I have anything.
Yeah, you do. I saw it here the other day.
Get a
That's not 10 inches. I don't know.
Ow!
Right here, bit. A lion.
Zero.
Uh-huh.
50 ounces.
Alright. Shut his mouth. Yeah, shut his mouth.
That nigga's a foot. Oh, yeah.
Hold up. I don't think he was a foot.
I think he is.
Shut his mouth. I want to get it where it's perfectly on there.
Oh, yeah. He's 12 and a half, boys.
Dang, son.
Yeah.
He got one. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
That's 2 for him.
Oh, yeah, boys.
Kade's done went freaking crazy.
Oh, baby. He's bigger than my other one.
I still don't know that you got me yet.
Yeah,
1.75 pounds.
15 ounces.
So you're basically tied with me with those 2. So now whatever this is, you take the lead. Crap. Alright guys, well I'm about to get serious and start catching fish. Because I'm not about to get beat by this. He's out here just screwing around and he's catching them. That pisses me off. No, bit mine.
Hey, I got a 1 pound lead. What you want me to load it? He missed one. I had 2 more bites.
Yeah, we should totally put on that worm. Try that blue flake worm.
Where?
That way we can all throw something different.
Where's it at?
It's just like this one.
The big.
It's no bigger than what I caught the big one on.
I thought it was a little bit.
Hey, try this. I got it right here. It's basically the same thing you have tied on, just a different color.
That was fucking big.
Just the tail. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just think it'd be good to change it up.
Small ones.
Yeah, I know, but I've had just as many bites on big ones. What?
Dead sticking it, motherfucker. Hey, get out of my spot.
Kiss my
Damn.
ass.
Both of y'all standing in my. Really? Bro, you don't own the fucking wall, bro. Thanks, Edge Flair.
Yeah. That one's gonna be close. We're catching dinks. Yeah, I know.
That's how it was last.
We're catching some freaking dinks, boy. That one ate 12. Here, put them up to my foot. We know my foot's exactly 12. Yup, nope.
He's like a legend.
Yeah, 10 and a half.
Perfect. Oh, yeah.
You made it.
Acrobatic.
He is throwing some mud. Yeah, it is small.
Hey, I don't think he's 12 inches, Dick.
Be close. He don't weigh nothing, but he gonna be close.
You need a pound to catch me.
Technically 15 ounces.
I would just call a fish smaller than my
You've got the smallest fish today, Bryce, so I know you ain't talking. He swallowed it.
Well, yeah, you lying.
No, he bit it when I wasn't tight lining it. Here, let me see the scale real quick.
I'm not worried about weighing that fish, dog. We gotta unhook it.
Oh, we got the right length anyway. But I want to see if I made it to a pound.
Let me.
No, it's in like his gullet. It's not in the gills. He swallowed that thing.
Everybody says.
If you go under the gills, but you gotta be careful not to mess up the gills.
I gotta come to this side so I can grab
Be careful, messing them up.
He ain't a pound, Dick.
Yeah, I know he's not, but I don't want to break a hole in his freaking mouth.
That's what I did.
12 ounces.
If he ain't 12 inches, it don't matter.
Here. Yep, got him. Got it.
Alright, you're down by 2 ounces.
Yep. Wait. Run him a little bit. Alright, push him off. Come on, fish. There he goes. Really, he got stuck in the grass.
Get caught up in the grass.
There he goes.
Oh. The one we just caught. He said, oh, it's a battle.
Yeah, it was fighting hard. Well, I just caught up to you, weight-wise.
You just got me flipping you off the video.
Yep.
That fish ain't 12
Ah,
inches, Dick.
yeah, it is.
No, it ain't, Dick. We
It
all
is.
measured it.
Scale,
No, we were measuring
or
that.
measuring tape, or whatever.
You done that, you locked it?
That's it. Lock it. Lock it past the foot, do it at like 15 inches. My foot's exactly 12, and he's as long as my foot.
Bumpy ass.
Oh my god. Let me see the damn scale.
Lock that 13. That fish is not a foot, nigga. That fish does not. Yeah, it does. Fuck.
Exactly.
12 and a quarter.
Get out the way, son. Where's the scale? Yeah, but it counts. Right there somewhere. That helps a lot. Well, I think he's bigger than 3 ounces, so I ought to catch you here. Huh?
You should be.
Well, yeah, I'll beat you. Because another 13 ounces. Would you like to see it? 13, so now I've got you about 10 ounces. We didn't kill the fish. Attaboy, Bryce. He finally caught one. About time. Is he 12 inches? Oh, yep, that one makes it. Yeah, he is. Really golden. He's dark.
I had that freaking sunbitch in the water for 2 seconds. You got the unhook him.
Quit cursing.
Man, it said 2 seconds. That's on the board.
Worms work.
Hey boys, I got 4 pounds. You got 312, and whatever this fish weighs.
What do we do? We fished till last minute. Look at this. Look at this. The freaking sprinkler. Woo!